I'm Yolanda Halston, inventor of the AeroBrush. I worked with Jeunesse and their exclusive APT 200 technology to create Envy BB Perfecting Mist Foundation, Primer, and Bronzer. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. Prep your skin using your Luminesse serum and moisturizer first. Step 1, prime. Shake your can well. Hold just like you're going to mist your face with water. One quick mist. Just like that. I just primed my lashes, lids, eyebrows, lips, skin, everything in 2 seconds. Step 2, foundation. Shake the can. I'm going to spray a little bit in the palm of my hand. Should look like that. A little creamy round circle. With my finger, I'm just going to dot it in the areas where I need extra coverage. I do this first so then I don't overspray my whole face just to cover up one little thing. Around the corner of the nose. And I go right in the V shape. A little bit on my forehead, just like that. For the most natural coverage, blend with your finger. And then, for a little bit more opaque coverage, use your sponge. This will give you a little bit brighter of a highlight. I like to use the shade that matches my skin to conceal, but if you want it even brighter, you can go one shade lighter. You can also conceal with a brush. Then one quick mist of foundation right down the center. Blend with a sponge. Now when I sprayed my face, you can see that it got on my lashes. It does make your lashes cloudy. If you already have lashes on, then you can apply simply by covering your lashes and doing one quick mist just in the area where you need it. Now I'm going to bronze. And when you bronze, you want to bring the color from your chest and your neck and shoulders up to your face, but this does have a shimmer. I like to spray it right down the center of my face, but if you prefer, you can actually just spray your forehead like this, then down your cheeks, just like that. Or you can spray it on a big fluffy brush and apply it by brushing it on. And that's it. You can powder for a more opaque finish, and that will give you a more matte finish, but the product does dry to a semi-matte finish, so I actually don't wear powder, and that's it. As you can see, Envy is simple to use for a natural look and can be layered for customized coverage. We have a shade for all skin tones for beautiful, flawless airbrush finish. You're gonna love it.